Hi there, Danny Brown from MarineMax in Palm Beach. We're here today looking at this beautiful new arrival, Boston Whaler 270 Vantage. This boat's in glacier green with twin 250s in white. Beautiful color combo. We have the Corian countertop with a pull-out cooler. This has the retractable sunshade. Back-to-back seating, which lays flat. Got a head on the port side, 12-inch Raymarine Axiom, VHF radio, joystick docking. This boat is loaded. That bow seating. As you can see, the port side seating converts into a lounger. And there's your transom bench seat that pulls out, which also folds away when you're fishing. Vacuum flush head, complete with Corian top and sink. And this boat's been optioned out with the bottom side of the hardtop in glacier green as well to match the hull. So this boat just arrived to MarineMax in Palm Beach. My name is Danny Brown. Feel free to call me anytime, 561-800-4339.